Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. Happy New Year's Eve to everyone. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And as you can see, today we're doing another episode of my Not So Makeupy voiceover. So this is episode 14. Down below in the description box, you can actually find a playlist for all my Not So Makeupy voiceover episodes if you are interested in watching those. So basically what this is me doing my makeup in the video, but I am not talking, as you can see. So this voiceover is basically like recommendations, movie recommendations, show recommendations, anything that kind of comes to mind I talk about on here. And I take this moment to kind of connect with you guys in a more personal way. And it's not like a get ready with me, because when I do get ready with me, I focus mainly on the makeup and I don't really talk about myself or what's going on in my life. And I like to share that with you guys just so we can get to know each other and you guys know what's going on in my life, what shows am I liking, what movies, and then I get to talk to you guys in the comments below. You guys recommend your kind of shows that you guys like and stuff. So I really like these types of videos because we get to interact on a different kind of level other than just makeup, but also in the background you can watch me doing my makeup as well. So I think this is a really fun concept and I've really been enjoying doing these throughout the year. Alright, so let's start talking about the quote. The quote for this month is, "Don't be afraid of being different. Be afraid of being the same as everyone else." I think this is such a great quote. I feel like sometimes we stay in the mentality of like high school where you kind of want to blend in, because if you, let's say, are not wearing something that everyone else is wearing, then you kind of stick out and it gives room for people to bully you or whatever. But now I feel like once you're growing up, you're getting more mature, we start to realize that it's not about being like everyone else. It's about loving yourself for all of your flaws. Everything that makes you different is something that you should love about yourself. Like, you shouldn't want to look like everyone else or like sound like someone else. So I feel like that was a great little reminder to love ourselves for what we are and how we came into this earth and stuff. So that was a really nice quote. So now for song recommendation, the first song that I've been really loving is the one by Dua Lipa and I think it's Da Baby, and it's called Levitating. I've really been enjoying that song. I'm sure you guys have heard it. It's such a good song. Another one that's more recent to me is one by Meghan Trainor, and it features Nicki Minaj. It's called Nice to Meet Ya, and it's a really nice song, also really good. Definitely recommend you guys listen to it if you're having a bad day or if you want a little like ego boost or something to make yourself feel good again. I love listening to music that's like that, kind of like Beyonce or old school kind of music, like something to motivate me to do stuff. Or even like when I'm doing my makeup finds, I love to listen to Spotify and have those all like motivating music that makes me happy kind of on the side just to have, because music definitely affects the way that we feel and the way that we look at life. Alright, so now we're going to talk about show recommendation. I don't really have any movie recommendations. I haven't really watched anything, so we're going to skip over. We're going to go to shows. So I've really been into Once Upon a Time on Disney Plus. And Once Upon a Time, there's two of them that I recommend. There's the Alice in Wonderland version, and there's the Once Upon a Time, which features a bunch of fairy tale characters, for example like Snow White, Prince Charming, all of those people. It's really cute, and it's kind of like they're all from this kind of enchanted forest and then they come to earth and it's like a curse, and it's a really interesting show. Definitely recommend. It had 7 seasons. I'm currently at the end of season 6, so I'm almost done with it, which is really sad. And also the Alice in Wonderland is the same, except that one only lasted 1 season, but I felt like that one was really cute, really adorable concept and stuff. So definitely recommend those two. They're really cute. If you have nothing to watch and you have Disney Plus, then go ahead and watch those. Those are really good. Alright, so I also wanted to share with you guys just quickly like what I received for Christmas. I actually didn't get a lot of makeup, which I was really surprised by. Honestly, I'm a little happy because I've been doing a lot of makeup hauls, so I was kind of scared I was going to receive a lot of makeup, but actually I didn't receive a lot, so I was really surprised. The first thing that I received was from my mom, and it was something that was featured on what I wanted for Christmas. I actually did a video on that recently. If you want to watch it, it's going to be down below. But I actually included this product, and it's the Miss Piggy collection. So my mom purchased that for me. It came with that little palette. It's like a cream palette. It came with the lip balm and a sponge. So we are going to play with that soon in an upcoming video. My boyfriend actually bought me this cute little like stitch brush holder, and it comes with little brushes in there from Hot Topic. Really adorable. He also bought me a Patrick backpack, which is so cute. I've been sporting that and it's adorable. I've gotten tons of compliments on that, so it's really cute. My sister got me earrings. I got a lot of chocolate and a blanket, so many things. It was really amazing. Let me know how your Christmas went. Did you guys get gifts that you guys love? I don't know, like let me know down below what you received, anything exciting, like, or what you got for your kids or whatever. Let me know down below. I would really love to hear from you guys and see how your Christmas was. And as for YouTube updates, a lot of makeup hauls are coming up. I'm actually backed up. I have 3 bags full of makeup, so look forward to those. Basically what I'm doing is like once a month I'm gonna be doing, or I'm gonna try at least once a month to do a makeup haul. So it's gonna be a massive haul, which is gonna be a collective bag of all types of makeup that I purchased throughout the month. I just throw it in a bag and I show it to you guys in those videos. And then the next couple weeks is basically full faces of new makeup. So I group up and I put everything new that I mentioned in those videos. It's like trying to group them into little groups and see which ones I'm going to use in what videos. And yeah, so that's basically what I've been trying to do now, and I've really been enjoying the type of schedule for my channel, as well as like not so makeupy voiceovers. I was contemplating canceling these, honestly, I really was, but I don't know, it's just something about them. Like I said in the beginning, it gives me a chance to interact with you guys in a way that I can't during my other videos. So I think I'm gonna keep this style of video on my channel and then keep the empties at the beginning of the month, every month. So yeah, and then I also want to start doing some more palette bingos, just kind of bring it back a bit, not too many. You guys know I was doing palette bingos for a while on Sundays, but these are going to be palette bingos where I talk to you guys and we do them together. So we're going to be having a couple of those in this new year, as well as some videos trying out the makeup that I received for Christmas, the Miss Piggy collection and the brushes. Is going to be a lot of fun. I really can't wait to try out the Miss Piggy collection. I've actually tried the lip balm already on that day, and it's so nice. Packaging is 10 out of 10. It's just really great. So yeah, and then a lot more full faces. I kind of want to bring back the like full faces under 10, under $5 and stuff like that. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. I know you guys love drugstore makeup as much as I do. So now I also want to kind of start panning makeup, and that's actually something that I've been experimenting with. We're also going to see more mystery boxes on my channel, which is a lot of fun. So I did want to take this time to let you guys know that I am really thankful to have you guys here following me, engaging with me, and just supporting me throughout these, well, it's only, I was gonna say a couple years, but it's only been like a year and a couple months that I've had my channel, and I've found so many supportive people on here, and you guys are really amazing. So many amazing channels, and I've interacted with so many great people. So I just want to say thank you to you guys who support me and who follow me and like watching my videos. Honestly, I think it's like a scary feeling putting yourself out there, and when you first start your channel you're kind of scared that nobody wants to watch you, like nobody's gonna care or whatever, and it's pretty scary. I really want to thank each and every one of you that has followed me, who supported me, who leaves a comment for me, and is always being so nice and supportive in the comments. I can't explain how amazing you guys are, and I wanted to say a big thank you to you guys. You guys really did make my year. And I hope you guys have a great New Year's with your family and your friends, and have an amazing end of the year and we're gonna go into 2021. Hopefully this year's better. Hopefully we can go back to some kind of normalcy in the world, if normalcy is a word. Who knows? I think I just made it up. Anyway, we have actually made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I used in the face, if you're interested, is going to be listed down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a little makeup finds from drugstore to high end. So if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there, and it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person, you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.